My name is Oscar from Nature Expeditions Africa, based in Nairobi, Kenya. Nature Expeditions Africa is an owner-managed company providing tours and travel-related services in East Africa. The company was started with the aim of providing tours and safaris in all segments, that is individuals, families, groups, incentives, and conferences. Nature Expeditions provides quality tours and safaris at affordable prices and then go an extra mile. Generally, Kenya is a better product in as far as the wildlife, sceneries, white sandy beaches, our rich and diverse and unique African cultures, thus the name of a land of contrasts, outstanding weather conditions, and experienced and knowledgeable tour leaders and driver guides. We have products for different clientele, offering value for money all through. Only the finest hotels, lodges, and camps in cities and out in the bush are selected. We pride ourselves in negotiating with our suppliers to obtain high-quality, competitive rates that are very irresistible to our agents and the clientele at large. Each hotel, lodge, and camps thoughtfully chosen to reflect not only our own high standards, but also the spirit of the itinerary in which it is selected. We, in certain seasons, plan familiarization trips, safaris for the agents, for product knowledge at the minimum or no costs at all, depending on the itinerary. We are accessible via email, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, and a 24-hour telephone contact. Our tour consultants always reply to correspondences within 24 hours. Our websites: www.natureexpeditions.co.ke, www.mykenyasafaris.com, and www.jambokenyasafaris.com. Asante sana for giving me this opportunity to tell you about Nature Expeditions and Kenya at large.
Welcome to Africa. In this vast landscape where wild animals run free, humankind began, and ancient cultures still thrive. Visitors are always welcomed.
Oh, I loved them when they came, and when they greeted, you'd go to the village and they'd greet us and dance.
This had been a dream for 10 years.
This has been wonderful.
Nature Expeditions invites you to experience your African dream. Join us as we help you or your clients to design a truly magical and incredibly enriching African adventure.
My favorite part, absolutely, was spending time with the Maasai in their villages, in their own environment. They are such a beautiful people.
When my friends found out that I went into a village, into a Maasai village and sat in the dung huts, they couldn't believe I did this.
Most of the clients get exposed to a lot of things other clients do not get exposed to.
And people in America will learn about the local tribes, and they interact, we spend time with them in their villages.
And people should look, when they buy safaris, they should look and see the contents of it, whether it has got the eco-educational aspects of it, not the conventional traveling from one point A to B and see only wildlife. You need to see the people and the culture.
The Maasai market, it's nowhere near roads or stores. We saw things that were not really for sale for Westerners. This was a market of themselves.
One of the companies that we work with, for example, is Nature Expeditions in Africa. And they understand what it is that we're trying to do. I think ecotourism plays a really important role in helping bring more awareness in the world.
This trip was unlike any other. The safaris were fantastic, but the opportunity to go to villages, it was a very, very moving experience.
Just that they were there. These animals that I had only ever seen in the zoo before, and they're out there roaming around in the wild.
What's the best part about Africa so far, honey?
As I see all kinds of different animals.
What's your favorite animal?
A giraffe.
Everybody goes to Africa to see the animals. It's amazing to see them in their natural environment, interacting with each other, not in a zoo, and to see them where they belong.
At Lake Mukuru, we saw a mother and her cub. We couldn't see what she had killed, but she lifted her head up and her face was all bloody. There was definitely a meal there. And the hyenas, which are afraid to death of us, were on the tails of these lions trying to get a part of the meal. Pretty interesting.
So it's not like everything just looks the same in every location. Each park is different physically, and the animals show themselves in different ways, and the guides all share something different.
From the beginning, I loved wildlife. Guiding, it's in my blood. So, I don't look any other way, I don't think of any other professional but guiding, because I love my job.
We had 3 wonderful driver guides, and they were entertaining. They taught us about animals. They waited on us hand and foot, and they were excellent drivers.
The guides were amazing. They were incredible. They were knowledgeable. They were articulate.
It was great to have them along to help us really see what we were looking at.
Everything of it. Green peppers, tomatoes, onions, and cheese. Good omelet.
The accommodations were incredible. It was hardly roughing it.
It was like camping out, but in luxury.
Very comfortable, very clean. It was like being in a little canvas-covered hotel room.
I would tell anybody that it was more than worth the price. It was an incredible trip, and everybody should go.
It was a very eye-opening experience, the whole thing, very positive in everything we did.
It was worth it. It was far more invaluable to me than the money. It was a life-changing experience for me.
The trip truly was outstanding. The dream became a reality, but now our dream is to go back again and again.
I absolutely would go back to Kenya in a New York minute.
Asante sana. Thank you for choosing Nature Expeditions to design your African experience. Please visit our website to view detailed itineraries, travel tips, and safari specials. All of us at Nature Expeditions look forward to making your African dream possible.